With this functionality of the Sales Extensions bundle, the user is able to make changes to the requirements already entered when creating a sales quotation. One of the changes related to prices can be done through the Adjust button. In the corresponding window, select the needed line of a sales quotation and click the Adjust button. In the pop-up window, the user is able to modify the price of one or more budget lines, either by applying discount or surcharge through an adjustment factor. Attendo shows a success notification in green when the process is complete. Other changes can be executed by the Change Customer, Rate and Currency button. Here, the third-party rate and currency of the document can be modified only if the document is in draft or under evaluation status. The user can modify just one variable or several variables at the same time. Once this process is applied, a new quotation is generated, leaving the previous quotation in closed rejected status. The History tab shows a record based on the successive modifications over the original quotation. That's all for now. See you in the next video.